In this video, I'll show you what you need to do if you lost access to your Authenticator app for Roblox. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get right into this guide. So I'm going to tap on login, and I've now entered my username and password. When I tap login, it says enter the code generated by your Roblox app. So firstly, click on use another verification method, then click on the option for backup code. You would have a list of backup codes. So just enter one of those codes, then click on verify. Once you've logged in, what you need to do is go to the top right and go to your settings, and then go across to security, and then scroll down to Authenticator app and just toggle this off. So you won't need to enter a code again. You can set it up again, but this time make sure you have access to one of these apps and codes. Another way is to come to the bottom where it says need help. Scroll down to the bottom and click on contact support here. Make sure you enter all the information in here and then select the platform you're using. Just press on can't log in, and then you need to go and select two-step verification and describe your issue. Hopefully they'll come up with a solution for you. That's it guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!